For the past few months, Bing AI was the least used AI tool on my Android device, but this recently changed because of one very specific reason. And of course, I'm pretty sure once I share this reason with you guys, it's going to be the same story. Okay, so Microsoft recently updated their SwiftKeyboard for both Android and iPhone, and because of this update, one feature turned out to be very hopeful. The feature I'm talking about is the Bing AI icon that has been added to this keyboard's toolbar. This has simplified things up to the point that anytime I feel like using an AI chatbot, I simply go ahead and open my keyboard, tap on the Bing AI icon, and from there, I am ready to go. Besides making it very easy for me to use a chatbot anytime I am with my phone, regardless of what I'm doing, this feature also comes with very amazing options, which I'm going to be talking about next. Speaking of options, the first option you're able to get is the search tab. Now, this tab allows you to search for information. You can type in a search query and the Bing AI chatbot will provide you with the relevant results. Now, next to the search tab is the tone tab. This tab allows you to customize your text for different tones. You can choose from a variety of tones such as friendly, confident, excited, and more. The Bing AI chatbot will then rewrite your text to match the tone you selected. Now, the compose tab is also similar to the tone tab, only that it's a bit detailed. This tab allows you to customize your message more. That is, it lets you select its tone, format, and length. It can also be very helpful, for instance, if you want to use the AI to help you create something like an email, blog post, give you some ideas, to mention but a few. Now finally, there is also the chat tab. Now once you select the chat tab, this enables you to use Bing AI as you've been using it via the Bing browser. You can ask the Bing AI questions and it will provide you with answers. However, it's important to keep in mind that once you use this option, there is no history feature, so you may lose some information if you decide to exit the app or the keyboard. But don't worry, you can always copy and paste the information you've acquired into another app to save it. So overall, the Bing AI feature on the Microsoft SwiftKeyboard is a very useful tool that can help you become more productive while using your phone. So I hope you found this video very helpful. And of course, once you start using this feature, I'm pretty sure you're going to even get more positive results. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace and love.